Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds, situated at Badi Chowpad, is one of the most noteworthy attractions in Jaipur. Resembling the peacock crown of Lord Krishna, Hawa Mahal was built by Maharaj Savai Pratap Singh, an ardent devotee of Krishna Bhagwan, in the year 1799. Since it wasn't designed as an individual residential palace, it doesn't have an entryway in the front. One has to enter through a doorway that exists on the side of the building. The main gateway, called Anand Pol, takes you to an arched entrance, which is the second gateway called the Chandrapoli Gate. On either sides of this gate are sculpted figures of gatekeepers called Dwarapalas. On the arch are sculptures of Lord Vishnu, Lord Ganesha, Goddess Lakshmi, Kalki, and Lord Shiva. Chandrapoli Gate leads to a central courtyard with a fountain at the center, around which women once celebrated the festival of Holi. This floor has the Sharad Mandir, and true to its name, autumn celebrations took place here. It also has a Bhojan Shala with an attached kitchen area. The floor also holds the Pratap Mandir, which is the personal abode of Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. It was here that the Maharaja spent his time writing poetry under the pen name Brij Nidhi. The spacious veranda in front of Pratap Mandir is known as Shubham Bhavantu, which means let there be auspiciousness. On the second floor is the Ratan Mandir, flanked by two open terraces. The colorful stained glasses and mosaics used here illuminate the room with a wide spectrum of colors closely resembling the precious and semi-precious stones or ratans found in Jaipur. On the third floor is the Vichitra Mandir. Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. He spent a lot of time on this floor, deeply engrossed in Krishna Bhakti. This prayer hall, devoted to Lord Krishna, was the king's personal praying haven. The next floor is called the Prakash Mandir. It has two screens in the east and west directions and is well lit due to sunlight, hence the name. On the fifth floor is the Hawa Mandir, after which the entire palace has been named. It has a screen on the east end and is open on all the other sides, letting one experience the brisk and fresh breeze. It offers a panoramic view of Jaipur and also some of its most important tourist spots like the City Palace, Jantar Mantar, and the Nahargarh Fort. Lal Chand Ustad designed this 5-storied structure as an extension of the Jaipur City Palace, serving the purpose of women's chambers or the zenana. The elite Rajput women were required to observe parda, a mode of female seclusion which forbids their faces from being seen by any man other than those within the nearest family circle. This mahal was primarily used by the womenfolk of the palace to gaze at the daily happenings and city processions on the street within their comforts and without being seen by anyone. There is an archaeological sculpture gallery in the Hawa Mahal that displays a fine collection of sculptures representing antiques, weapons, instruments, dance, arts, religion, etc. The ancient sculptures preserved in the gallery give one a glimpse of the rich past and the cultural heritage of the Rajputs. Its lack of foundation, this 50-feet palace is tilted at an angle of 87 degrees. However, locals also believe that the tilt was intentionally doctored by thus aligning the floors one above the other, ensuring that the women behind the screens would by no means be seen by anyone on the street. Remaining true to the pink city, it was built with pink and red sandstones complemented with an inlay of white marble. The facade of the building is intricately carved, giving it a honeycomb structure. While the fluted pillars, domed canopies, and floral designs represent the Rajput style, the beautiful arches, delicate ornamentation, and filigree work are supreme elements of the Mughal influence. The entire palace is devoid of stairways. Access to the upper floors is provided by ramps, making it convenient to carry the queens who were clad in heavy garments and ornaments in their regal palanquins. There are a total of 953 jharokas or windows intricately adorned with lattice work and hanging cornices. These jharokas and the perforated walls help maintain a cool temperature within the palace even during summers, owing to the Venturi effect. Mahal is a symbol of grandeur and brilliance in Rajput architecture. An iconic monument in the royal capital of Rajasthan, it was once a pleasure palace for the royal folk and now one of the most visited tourist spots in Jaipur.